Namaste all, this is Dr. Mansi. Welcome to my channel Plant Passion 16. This is a beautiful Jhadu bamboo plant or the grass. As we all know that the bamboo comes from the grass family. It is a huge grass, but the only difference is that the grasses produce the side shoots or the runners and this doesn't produce the side shoots. So these are the greenish tassels of the broom grass. This is also called as the tiger grass, broomstick grass, or the Nepali broom grass. The botanical name is Thysanolima latifolia. The plant is very distinct with tall, upright canes. Now this can be, as it is a tropical plant, it can be grown well in area where there is enough space. It can also be grown in containers. Now the special feature of or the important feature of grass is to bind the soil and prevent the soil from being washed away. So this acts as an agent to prevent soil erosion. So in natural conditions, these are grown in steep hills, sandy banks, damp places, and it is also grown on the degraded land to fix the soil. Of course, it is also grown nowadays as an ornamental plant, and I have grown this in the container. I am cleaning all the dried leaves which have fallen in the container, and this container is 14-inch. It is a square container. It's on my terrace, and now let's see the details about this. The light requirements, it prefers full sun to partial shade. Now as it is a tropical plant, it grows very well on the terrace. Now these are the culms or very fine shoots, very thin shoots, green ones, and the leaves are like the cereal leaves, but they are not. Yeah, these are the thin shoots, and at the end of the shoots we get the greenish flowers. Now this is a winter blooming plant. After the rains in the month of October, November, this comes into flower. Now regarding the watering, I would say it's a tough plant, but in natural conditions it is a tough plant, of course, but in container I would say it is a thirsty plant. It needs regular drink. So if we don't water the plant, the leaves, they just droop down, and that is the indicator that we need to water the plant. Now we need to remove all these dead branches or dead stems. Now we can see that this bamboo is a clump bamboo, clump type. They don't produce the runners. These are the leaves, green leaves, like that of the cereals, narrow, with a prominent midrib and a sharp apex. But the base of the leaves is somewhat pricky. We really need to take care of that, as it might wound the finger. Definitely it might wound the finger. Now I would say about the fertilizing, I have not fertilized this plant much. This was in a small pot some 2 years back, and when I repotted, I just added a very good amount of organic compost in it, and that's it. I don't fertilize the plants too much. Now these are actually the tassels, beautiful greenish. Almost all the flowers are dropped down. The greenish one, very, very soft, feathery blooms. They are just swaying in the wind. And if you see the length of the tassel, this is a hand span and it's almost double the hand span. That means I can say it is 1.5 feet or so. And the length of the whole bamboo plant is almost 2.5 meters to 3.5 meters. Now regarding the propagation, it can be propagated through separation of the culms. So these are the two shoots which are growing in the corner. I can just take out the whole of the thing along with the roots and I can separate them and plant it in another container. The soil mix for the container is sand 2 parts, soil, garden soil 1 part, coco peat 1 part, leaf mold 1 part, and the soil should be absolutely well drained. It doesn't like the soggy soil at all. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.